I don't know what is a problem with this watch. I seen YouTube some movies, but I'm not I don't know repairing watches, and I decide to try to repair, but I don't know how to open this glass. This is Swatch Irony. They say that is inside SR 936 SW or battery 394. In this watch is a previous battery SR 936 only W, not S, and I don't know is a damage something because the battery is leaking. I clean contacts with this medical gasoline, benzene. This is highly evaporate fast and don't damage anything. And when I put a right battery in this watch, RENATA, the watch is crazy. Sorry for my bad English. And I think is someone help me to open and to try repair. I ask help because in Serbia, where I live, how say, people who repair watches is very expensive, and the repair is cost maybe 2 times expensive that is what I pay for this watch. And if someone can help me, I appreciate help. And I don't know, I upload some videos how I open and to try repair. I see on internet that these watches have motors, electrical, and I don't know, I learn some things about this. I don't know what to say because when I moving these dials slowly, the watch, or I press here, now they don't work, nothing. But when I slowly move these dials, the watch is doing some crazy things. Yeah, look it. And I think that somebody can help me to try to fix. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and if somebody help, I appreciate. Thank you very much. Bye.